Hey everybody, welcome back. I am once again at work. You are seeing my little desk area, a little portion of it that it's actually clean. I just hopped in here real quick to show you two finished items that I have. I haven't had a whole lot of time to do much crochet. I will say the loom knit hat that you've seen in my last video has been frogged. I just wasn't feeling it, but yeah, that is a really cool pattern, and maybe one of these days I would like to try it again. Plus, another thing is I do not like that 4-in-1 or 5-in-1 loom, whatever it is. It just seems too unstable to do any real projects on. But I did finish the round Tunisian pot holder that you all seen in a previous video. I think this is the side that you guys seen me working on. And this is the other side. That is pretty cool. This is actually basically the same width as the other ones that I did. And this is obviously double thick. I just single crocheted them together. This is the last of the Christmas gifts. I do have one other Christmas gift that I previously made. It wasn't actually, well, it was made for a gift, but I didn't give it to the person when I made it. So I am giving it to someone else this year. All I need to do on that is double check on my tails and take care of those, and it will be ready to go. And then I have to wrap everything. So yeah, I got 2 pot holders for one person, 2 pot holders for another person, and then one of the coin purses that I have previously made will be given as a gift as well. So there's that. The only other project that I've actually been able to complete, and about the only work that I've done since my last video, is this hat. Let me try and raise this. Hold on, you guys. We'll raise you up a level. Whew. That's a little better. A little bit. Anyway, I finished this hat. This is a combination of Tunisian crochet and regular crochet. This is some scraps. The black is not scrap. The black is actually a skein of yarn, but the neon is some scraps that I did. Here is the inside of the hat. It is a little floppy and a little big. I'm not sure what I did and why it's this way, but it is comfortable. It fits me really well, and I really like this hat. But I'm going to stick it in the donation bucket, and we'll see what happens and where it goes. I only have very few hats in my bucket. I did see at church here, a couple weeks ago on our last Wednesday night service before the holiday, the local school that I made the hats for the preschool for, they actually sent a thank you note to the church. I will try and put a little clip in of the note. I'm not going to, they had pictures of all the classes with the kids as well, but I'm not going to include those just for privacy reasons. But they thanked all the hands that made the hats, and they really liked them, and I can't remember what else it said. But yes, I seen that and made my heart happy to see all the kids. They look so cute in the hats that they chose, and counting the number of kids in the pictures, unless kids lose hats and they use more hats, they should be good for next year as well, because I believe I counted 48 kids in the pictures. There was 4 different classes. I think there's 4, either 4 or 5 different classes. So I think it was about a total of 48 kids. So they should be good for next year, because I did send them a total of 100 hats. And I decided I was going to focus on something different should I have time to do any crochet. Like I said, I haven't had a whole lot of time to do much crochet here lately. That's about as big as my hat. Life has just been really busy. Business has been, we have been so blessed with business that we are staying busy. That gives me not time to crochet, which is, I'm not complaining. I'm thankful for that. And so another thing that I've also been focusing on instead of crochet is food. You know, we got to eat. Steve and I have to eat. We got to have food for our customers at our business, our restaurant. And it's been a real struggle. I've been watching a lot of budget food or budget menu videos here of late, and these people get really good prices on things, and they're really creative with the foods that they make for their families. But I'm looking at these and it's not feasible. I think my prices are a little bit higher, with the exception of Dollar Tree, than a lot of places, because I'm not finding the deals that they are finding. So trying to figure out what to buy and stay within budget for meals for me and Steve and for our business has also become very time consuming for me, as well as trying to cook more from scratch instead of getting the ready prepared boxed meals, because cooking from scratch does seem to be a little more cheaper than you know, buying a ready-made meal and just heating it up, which that's what I'd rather have, being a busy working person that I am. But that just doesn't seem possible anymore. So I don't know what the future of my YouTube channel will be. I probably will not have a lot of Yarney content to be able to be put out in the future, because I'm just not having the time to do it. And I've contemplated about doing some, you know, cooking. I'm not going to say budget, because I'm not real budgety type person. I try to stick within a budget because that's all we've got to spend on it, because we're also trying to pay off bills and pay our bills and everything else that goes on, just like all the rest of us, and save a little money at the same time. But I've contemplated on maybe some budget cooking and, you know, how we are handling the current situation. But I know that's not what you guys are here for. You are here for the creative crochet fiber arts stuff that I like to do. So if you have any suggestions or, you know, videos that you might like to see other than crochet or knit that I might do, let me know down in the comments. I just don't want to abandon you guys, but I just feel I don't have anything worthwhile to share. And that's being busy and not feeling I have anything worthwhile to share is part of the reason I have not been here near as much. But honestly, if this is all I've gotten done in the last 2 weeks, you know that I'm really busy. And I don't expect that to get any easier for me. I am hoping and praying that our businesses continue to flourish and we do stay busy with our businesses, and that, you know, I'm still able to afford things and be able to have enough food that I can make for myself and share with others. So thank you for listening to me ramble on without seeing my face. I just feel awkward showing all the stuff here at work at the lock shop. But anyway, I want to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas. We are in for a nasty cold weather with -degree temperatures and really -degree wind chills, with ice and snow expected over the next 3 days, which will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, being Christmas Day on Sunday. So yeah, I'm prepping for that and hoping for the best. So thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you in my next video.